Want to know how to have success in your event industry business? This video is for you. Since the pandemic, there definitely has been a surge of different types of businesses that have entered into the industry. Everything from event planners to balloon artists to cake decorators, different types of event industry professionals. So, what I want to give you are 3 tips so that you're able to have success in your business. The nature of events is very broad. I find that we only see one section of the event industry on social media when it comes to social events. So there are a lot of different ways that you can thrive inside of the event planning or event industry business. The first thing that you want to make sure is just having clarity about the vision on the business in which you're creating. You do not only have to do kids' parties, you do not only have to do weddings. There are all types of ways to scale your business, or there are all different types of niches to actually provide your services to. So what I do recommend for you is to gain clarity on the vision that you see for your business inside of the event industry by understanding what niche you want to serve. The second tip that I want to give to you is to get organized. I find that it's very common for people that are in the event industry not being organized when all we do is planning. It is actually somewhat similar to project management. So you can imagine if we are not organized, how stressful it can be for not only us, but for our team members and most importantly for our clients. I do recommend for you to start figuring out how to have your processes more streamlined so that you're able to satisfy your clients without satisfying your sanity or your work-life balance. And when we talk about being organized, this is not only from how you're executing this at your events, it's also about how you're actually executing the services inside of your business. I think it's super important for us to not only focus on how we're serving our clients, but we also have to make time to work inside of our business so that we're able to grow and scale. So, looking at ways that we can be more efficient and productive within our business. The third tip is to learn how to communicate more effectively. And when I mention communication, this is not only with clients. We are communicating with vendors, we're communicating with the people in our communities, our circle of influence. You make sure that you have a better way to communicate not only with your clients, but also with the day-to-day communication with inside of your business. So I challenge you to look at different types of apps that can help you with being able to communicate more effectively. I recently did a video on YouTube on my favorite apps that I use inside of my event planning business. So check out the video if you want to learn more about what types of apps can help you with scaling your business.